class, we will be diving into the powerful machines behind the beauty revolution. From the perfect shade of lipstick to the luxurious cream you love, there is a world of high-tech machinery making it all possible. So if you are someone so passionate about beauty and healthcare, this video is for you. We are going to be talking about those machines that could produce high-quality products at a lower cost. They are going to be increasing your efficiency and enhancing the consistency of your products, therefore giving you a competitive edge. And last but not the least, go getter, the advantage with these machines is that you are going to have the flexibility to create customized formulations and packaging that are appropriate for the African market. Let me take an example. In the beauty industry, for instance, a lot of Africans got to realize that they had difficulty finding their own shade, for instance, at the level of the powders or the foundation. So I know of a couple of African celebrities or influencers who came up with their own powder and foundation brand that were very accurate to match the African skin tone. So this is something that you also can be capable of doing in whatever cosmetic product you choose to manufacture yourself. So that's the advantage we have with producing our own beauty products by Africans for Africans. So go getters, if you're ready, let's quickly dive into 10 beauty and self-care production machines that will help you stay ahead of the competition on the African markets. My name is Elvin Chick, and without further ado, let's get started. So the first analysis is obviously the Cosmetic cream and lotion mixer. So this machine is used for mixing and homogenizing creams and lotions and also various products. So when you see all of these organic cream and lotion producers, this is that one machine they can't do without, all right? So that takes us to our next machine, which is obviously the cream or lotion filling machine. Yes, this is that machine that is responsible for filling your cream containers or lotion containers, all right? It provides you with consistency at the level of the quantity of the product and avoids your containers from being messy. This machine is that one product that you just can't deal with if you are about to get involved in the production of body creams and lotions. So that takes us to the next machine, which is the tube filler and sealing machine. So this machine is ideal for filling and sealing tubes of products like gel, cream, toothpaste, just to name a few. So if you're interested in a skincare brand like maybe body creams and lotion, you definitely need a cream mixer and a tube filling and sealing machine, for instance, if you want your product to be in a tube form. Next on, let's talk about the soap bar making machine. Yes, like you got it, it is that machine that is going to be producing your soap bars for you. Once you've done your mixture, you just pour it into the machine and it takes care of solidifying the soap and slicing it into soap bars and also stamping your logo or branding onto your soap bars. Next on, we are going to be talking about the powder press machine. So this machine is that machine that is used to compress loose powders like foundations and blushes into solid forms. So if you are interested in producing powder and everything, you definitely need this machine. Let's now talk about the ultimate lipstick filling machine. Yes, a lot of women love lipstick, right? This is something that a lot of women can't do without nowadays. So if you are that woman who is passionate about lipsticks and you would love to have your own shade of lipstick, this machine is definitely what you need. So this machine is actually specialized in filling lipstick molds with molten products according to their shapes and sizes. That leads us to the next machine, which is the mascara filling machine. So this machine also, go getter, is specialized in the filling of mascara tubes, ensuring even distribution and quality control. Next on, let's talk about the perfume filling machine. Yes, a lot of us love perfume. We love to wear perfume. Perfume to me is just like that one thing that makes your outfit complete, all right? No matter what you wear, especially if you're going outdoor, if you don't wear a perfume, to me, your dressing as a whole isn't complete. So perfume is that one thing that a lot of people do wear nowadays. So this machine is actually that machine that takes care of the filling of the perfume into the bottles. It is very precise and it's automated. So the machine basically does all the work for you, all right? So this is something that will save you not only time and energy, but make you a lot of money as well. Since we are talking about perfume go-getters, our next machine is going to be the deodorant filling machine. So this machine go-getter is obviously going to be filling your deodorants into the containers and also does the sealing as well. So it does basically everything for you. So once you've mixed your products, you just fill them into the machine and it does the rest of the work for you. Now, I would advise that with such a machine, if you are getting it from the producer, I would advise you ask the producer to give you the full production line, all right? That is from the machine that could do the mixing for you, the filling for you, and the sealing for you, and even the labeling for you. So basically what I am saying here is that most of these production machines, go-getters, actually constitute of a whole production chain, all right? That is, the production lines can actually do everything for you from scratch, all right, beginning to end, and you just get your end product. But the thing is, generally those production lines are more expensive, right? So that's why most of the time we would advise you go for those machines that are at times just semi-automated, that you could do some of the work yourself and the machine does what you can't do, all right? But if you're someone who's got the money, I would advise you actually go for those production lines, because not only they are going to be making your products more efficient and give you also good quality that could compete internationally, they are going to be saving you time as well. For someone like me, honestly, go-getters, time is the most valuable thing I've got right now. I don't joke with my time, all right? So if I've got the money to invest in a production line that will save me time, I will gladly do it. And that's why I would like to draw your attention to something here, go-getters. Time is something that is very limited. A second lost can never be regained, all right? So I don't joke with my time. So please do well to understand when I receive only people who've actually paid for my consultation. I want to let you know that not only I am a content creator, I've got a 9-to-5, all right, here in Cameroon, and I am a mom of 5 as well, not talking about being a wife. So I've really got a lot in my plate to deal with. So when I take the time to actually research and also sit and make these videos for you, please understand that I can't have that time to attend to all of you behind the scene for free. It isn't possible, all right? So in order to filter the serious ones, I make you pay for my consultations and services in general. I don't do things for free in the background because my time is limited and I monetize my time, all right? This is something that I would love a lot of Africans to understand, because we at times are so entitled to certain things that are not supposed to be so, all right? I really appreciate you all who understand the value of what I offer on here for free. A lot of the things I give you here for free are things that people will charge you for, all right? But I do that for free. So to me, it is a little bit exaggerated for some of you to come behind the scene and expect me to also service you on there for free, all right? Actually, right now, my assistant John is overwhelmed with a lot of messages that he receives daily. And in order for it to make his work easier, he is going to be connecting to me only those who've paid for my time, all right? From time to time, I would respond to emails directly, all right? There are some people who would notice that I step in and respond to emails myself. But understand that after those emails, if you want to have a personal chat or a personal consultation with me, you need to pay for my time. That's just something that I wanted to get straight here, so that you all stop stressing John for no good reason, all right? Pardon me, go-getters, if I am sounding a little bit harsh, but I think this is something that I need to clear with you all right? I am saying Africans here because I've noticed that for those who are non-Africans who actually approach me, they pay for whatever we charge without hesitating. And some Africans will pay as well, especially those in the diaspora. But I've noticed that those living here in Africa always find it inconvenient to be charged. Just know that it is very normal for someone to charge you for their services, all right? And that's something I would recommend you to go getter. If you are a business person or you've got some skills or whatever that you've got to offer, anything of value, Please charge people for your time. It is very normal to do so. Last but not the least, goal getters, let's talk about the gloss filling machine. Yes, this is something that a lot of us can do without, right? Gloss is something that we constantly apply. Even those who don't love makeup constantly apply gloss. So gloss is something that sells a lot, all right? So if you're interested in beauty and self-care products that you are sure to make sales, because a vast majority of people do use, I would recommend you invest in a gloss making machine. That said, Go Getter, I would like to thank you all who've been supporting the channel on the membership and joined the Go Getter community. And I want to announce to you here that we are about to launch a series of very interesting things on the membership that you don't want to miss. So if you've not subscribed to the membership yet, I believe this is the right time for you to do so. For we are actually going very active on the membership pretty soon. So Go Getters, there you have it, machines that you could actually buy and get involved in the beauty and self-care industry. If you loved this video, do well to share it with as many people as possible. For as you know, the more we empower Africans, the greater Africa will be. I was glad helping, and see you on my next one.